Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Today I will explain you past perfect tense. So before I start my lesson, I will explain what is a tense. Tense means time. We have three main types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Each of present, past and future will be further divided into four types: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So total we have 12 tenses. In my previous lectures I have explained till past continuous tense, and today I am going to start past perfect tense. You know why and where we use this tense? Past perfect tense is used to express an action which has occurred in past, usually a long time ago, and action which has occurred in past before another action in the past. If we talk about in Urdu, so in Urdu language at the end of the sentence we will have chuka tha, chuki thi and chuke the. Tha, the, thi indicates past tense and chuka, chuki indicates the perfect. So at the end of the sentence we will have chuka tha, chuki thi or chuke the. And how we will translate such sentences into English language? We use had, H-A-D, had. We use had as a helping verb or auxiliary verb. And we use third form of the verb. Using third form of verb is called past participle. Okay, let's start the exercise. Now I will show you some examples of past perfect tense. Look, I have already considered your application. Look, in this sentence I have used had and third form of the verb. Considered is the third form of the verb. I had already considered your application. The postman had delivered the letters before noon. Okay, and if we convert such sentences into negative, so we use not, had not. For example, I had not sold my property before 1986. You had not informed me of the decision till today. So in these sentences, these examples, what we have used had in the affirmative sentence, or you can say in positive sentences we use had, and in negative sentences we use had not. In negative sentences we use had not. And in interrogative sentences we use had in the beginning of the sentence. For example, had the plane taken off before passengers arrived at the airport? And at the end we will put the question mark. And in whuch questions or auxiliary verbs we use where, when, how, who, etc. So first of all we use whuch words. Okay, and these are also known as interrogative nouns, interrogative pronouns. So why had he not finished his work till sunset? Look, first we will use whuch words. For example, where, when, how, who, etc. And after that we use had, helping verb. Well, it depends on the tense. We are discussing past perfect. The helping verb of past perfect is had. After whuch words we use had, helping verb. Why had he not finished his work till sunset? Another example, how had the lion carried away the cow before sunset? Okay, so what you have learnt in today's lecture, you have learnt past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to express an action which has occurred in the past, usually a very long time ago. We use had as helping verb and we use third form of the verb. In negative sentences, we use not. In interrogative sentences, we use had in the start of the sentence. I hope you will like this lecture. Thank you so much for watching.